Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry, and I have a fire going in the pellet stove. I've just spent the better part of 2 days dealing with the manufacturer who wouldn't talk to me because they want me to go through their distributor for support. I spent most of today waiting for a call back from the service technician. He was a great guy. Got back to me about 45 minutes ago. We went through the problems that I've experienced and the tests that I've done, and the conclusion is that it's most likely that the igniter, that's an electrical component in this stove that sets the pellets on fire, has a problem. Well, there's a few others that could go wrong. There's brushes in the motor that's in the base of this heater. I don't think that there's a problem with the brushes, but I'll check that when I take the old igniter element out and put the new one in. It's not a big deal to check the brushes, but as long as I have to take everything apart, I'm going to go ahead and check it. Now hopefully they'll have some brushes that I can pick up tomorrow as well. The service technician had a sample igniter on his truck that he's set aside for me for tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, Irene and I are going to drive up to Flagstaff, 60 miles one way, to go pick up a relatively inexpensive part. But without it, the stove is not terribly useful. Right now I have it running on the 12-volt battery. That's one of the nice things about the stove, is that as long as I have a way of keeping that battery charged, I can keep the stove running. I started the fire today with a igniter tab. It's basically a 1/3 of an MRE heat tab for heating up rations. Well, you set it on fire, put pellets on it, and then turn the stove on DC, and it starts feeding pellets down into the stove. So I'm going to go ahead and let this run. It's going to run on the battery because I'm still having a problem with running it on 120 volts. Well, that's the update for today. You'll see this in the morning. This will also be the only show that we do tomorrow because we'll be on the way to Flagstaff and then on the way back from Flagstaff and then taking this thing apart. Well, thanks for watching. We hope this provides a little more information what's going on our homestead. Fortunately, we're not having 14-degree temperatures at night this week. We're in the low 20s, but that's a whole lot better than 14. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications because there's a lot more going to be going on with this stove, I think. We'll talk with you later. Bye.